Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to rebalance your small case the right way so that you can save a lot of brokerage and DP charges. So this is my small case dashboard where you can see that some of the small cases right now are set for rebalance. So let's go and rebalance the small case. Once the rebalance small case pops up, you can clearly see how many entries and exits the small case manager has prescribed. So now he says that these two stocks have to go out and two stocks have to come in. So then we, instead of just confirming the update, we should go ahead and first review the update. So if you review the update, you see that some of the stocks which he has added are clearly marked that they had zero quantity earlier, but now these quantities have been added. So these are the stocks which the small case manager has added to the small case, and these are the stocks which the manager has removed. So you can see that they have gone from -7 to 0, -54 to 0, and these stocks are unchanged. However, what you note is that a lot of these stocks are there which are incremental changes because of weight rebalance. So these stocks, which will cost a small few thousand rupees, will lead to additional incremental charges and are basically not recommended. So how do you fix them? So we go to customize the order, and then we can change these numbers so that we are not charged for them. Now let's see how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to mark it like this so that these orders are not processed. So I'm just marking them down so that only the orders of concern are left and the rest of the orders we do not process. Right, so let's see which are the other orders. So this one again we don't need. So these two orders he wants us to buy, and these we will buy, and the rest of the incremental changes we have converted to 0. So these orders will not go through. Now let us similarly change the sell orders so that these orders are not processed. So here we have again changed these orders, and now we again have the two stocks which he wants us to sell, and here we have two stocks which he wants us to buy. So here is what we have, and now we will confirm the update. But you see what happens is that you cannot place aftermarket orders for this just yet. So the market is due to open in the next few minutes, and then we can go ahead and process this update. So that is a limitation of small case orders, that you cannot do AMO orders for rebalance because they involve buy and sell orders. So they have only to be done when the market is open. I like to typically do these orders between 9:15 and 9:20 AM when the market's open, so that a proper price discovery happens. Otherwise, a lot of orders go through, and then there might be steep changes in the stock price, and all the benefits which were expected are already gone for the day if you go in late. So here friends, again you see is another rebalance update. A lot of notes have been put by the manager as to what is to be done about the Mega Money Organics which is in the stock, and we have already talked about how to repair and archive orders in another video. You can go and look at that. So again, you don't go ahead and confirm the update immediately. You go and review the update first, and then you will see the lot of stocks are there in the portfolio, but the manager has recommended to only exit and enter few stocks. So we will now customize the order to meet those requirements and not buy and sell a lot of these other stocks which are merely incremental changes for weight rebalance. So this stocks he wants us to buy because it's 200 new quantity change. This one we should not be buying. This one we should not be buying. This is again a stock which he wants us to buy. See, plus 164, 164. This one we should not be buying, and this one again is a new stock, 2222. Now this stock again we should not be selling. These incremental changes are there. So we should not be selling these stocks. So I'm just taking them to 0. So these orders are not processed, and we only buy and sell those stocks which have been recommended by the manager. So here you can see I'm just rebalancing all these stocks and taking them to 0 so that these orders are not processed. And here these stocks are 0, and now they are going to sell these stocks. So these are what actually have to be sold. So now we are set. So these 3 stocks we are buying, and these 2 stocks we are selling. I do not want to reveal the whole portfolio because that is against ethical guidelines, and you need to pay to see the portfolio. So once you are done with this, then you can confirm the update. But again, you see, you cannot place AMO orders for small case rebalance because it involves buy and sell orders. So you have to wait for the market to open. I typically send in the orders between 9:15 and 9:20 a.m. so that I can take the benefit of the change in the stocks which is happening. Because sometimes the stocks which I'm buying, a lot of people, if they buy them, the stock can quickly hit upper circuit. And if you go in late, the benefit is already gone. Or if the stock which you are selling has suddenly fallen down because thousands of people are selling, then again, if you don't go in early, you might have to sell at a very low price. So we wait for the market to open. And once the market is open, we can go in and sell these and buy these orders. So now you see the market has opened and the ticks have started. So now I will go and confirm this update, and then we click rebalance the small case. And now let's see what happens. Then he asked me to confirm the orders. So we confirm the orders, and the small case will place those orders, and we are waiting for the order status. And once that is done, it will tell us that the order has been processed. Here is the other order. I'm again confirming this update. I'm rebalancing the small case, and it's still working. Then I confirm the orders, and then we wait to see if the orders have been processed. Let's go back here. So now you can see here that the orders have been processed, and it shows that all the orders have been fulfilled. We can go and see the order details, and it will show us that the orders have been fulfilled. Similarly here, these orders are still being placed. Sometimes it takes time if it's happening early in the morning when the markets have opened, because there are a lot of orders are there. And here again you can see all the orders have been fulfilled. We can go and see the order details, and we will know how exactly the orders have been processed. So thank you for watching, and I think you learned about how to rebalance small cases the right way, which helps you save brokerage and money as well. Thank you so much. Do remember to like and subscribe to our channel.